Need to record a quick idea, meeting note, or personal memo? You can start voice recording in just one tap using the Edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, you have to make sure that the task panel is on and start recording shortcut has been added to this panel. To do so, drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel, and then tap gear icon to customize the panel. Here, make sure that the task panel is turned on. Next, tap edit at the bottom of the task panel. Scroll down the screen. Under voice recorder section, tap start recording to add the shortcut to the task panel. Close the setting. To see how to use the shortcut, open the Edge panel again, and then find task panel. Now tap start recording. As you can see, it opens the voice recorder app and begins recording immediately. Given to the function, you can use this feature when you want to capture something quickly without opening the app manually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.